Here is our second BNSF train that came into the rail yard together with the last one I just recorded. I'm not 100% sure what we got on here because it was on the other side of the other train. So let's take a look at what we got coming. Here we were gonna leave and go to Quick Trip. Almost missed 2 trains. Gotta wave. Yay! Yeah! Awesome! Oh, look at the pretty train! See? Wear my BNSF shirt! Woo, that's too big. Okay. Here we go! Aw, yeah, look at here. Oh boy, oh, look what we have. Oh, there we are. So nice. 2 3-engine BNSF. Okay, yep. Looks like we have all the same empties, probably. Like, I don't think there's anything in these.
No, there's definitely.
Well, if you look at the coils down there, yeah, I think we got some empties here. Pretty gloomy out. It's been raining and storming. Probably about to get dumped on again. Some of them are taller than the others.
I know.
Very nice. Huh? Oh, you're sorry. He's recording too. Not sure how long this one is. Oh, look at the happy face! And there's a daisy painted on there, Christian. There was a daisy. I'm sorry, today would have been my mom's 75th birthday. She passed away last year. We had ice cream cones in remembrance of her today, and her favorite flower was daisies. I might have a tear right now. Sorry, and I'm watching trains. Be pointing to the sky there. Ooh, nice. Love the boom. raining. You gotta be a trooper. You can get in. We have an umbrella. Gosh. For the love of trains, I tell ya. You have it? Okay. Let's get an umbrella. We got rain. We got storms, we got trains, we got daisies. My goodness. Oh. Well, the end is coming pretty quick here, so. Woo-wee. Oh, now they're going. Okay. Yep, here's the end. Well, we were pretty lucky to catch 2 trains. There we go. All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. We're gonna get out of the rain here. Have a good night.